Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a little science experiment together. We're going to create a lava lamp. First, you'll need a water bottle with a little bit of water in it. You'll need some sort of oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, some sort of glitter or food coloring, and some Alka-Seltzer. Let's get started. Time to add your oil. Fill the oil almost to the top. Notice how the water stays below the oil. Give it a little shake up if you want. Put it down and watch what happens. As time goes on, the water and the oil slowly start to separate. The oil floats on top and the water stays on the bottom. Time to open up the lid and start the science experiment. Alka-Seltzer tablets produce carbon dioxide-filled bubbles when placed in water. As the carbon dioxide is produced, you can see bubbles grow and float to the surface of the water. You may even be able to hear the bubbles as they pop. Time to add some sparkles. You can keep putting in more Alka-Seltzer. You can close it and shake it up again and watch it separate. One of my favorite things to do is to lay down and breathe while I watch it separate.